acrostic poem about the poison dart frog. P, poisonous skin. O, on a rock. I, in the rainforest. S, sends out a message to other animals. O, only the Chaco Indians use 3 species of poison dart frogs. N, never seen at night. D, dart frogs. A, adults. R, rainbow frogs. T, toxins. F, frogs. R, rainforests are a big place. O, on the move. G, good meals are ants. Poison dart frog.
My name is Caleb, and I'll be sharing my class poem about the tamandoa. T is for tamandoas, babies are tiny. A is for ants, what they eat. M is for moms carry babies on their back. A is for also eats termites. N is for nickname is stinker of the forest. D is for does smell bad. Usually walks on 4 legs. A is for also eats bees. Tamandoa.
Hello, my name is Hannah, and I'll be sharing an acrostic poem about the morpho butterfly. M, morpho butterfly. O, oh, they are beautiful. R, really awesome. P, pretty. H, high in the sky they fly. O, oh, they are blue and they come in all different colors. B, butterflies fly everywhere. U, understory layer. T, terrific. T, travel from place to place. E, enemies are humans in dangerous animals. R, really amazing. F, fly. L, level. Y, you are my favorite rainforest animal, morpho butterfly.
Hi, my name is Matthew, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the boa constrictor. B is for bright colors, O is for on a rock, A is for awesome, C is for cousin to the rainbow boa, O is for often slithers, N is for needs food, S is for snake, T is for terrifying, R is for rainforest, I is for a song, C is for catches its food, T is for terrific, O is for outside is where it lives, R is for red tongue, boa constrictor.
Hi, my name is Sam, and I'm going to be reading about the gorilla. G, gentle. O, only lives in Central Africa. R, really strong. I, incredible climbers. L, large animals. L, lives in small places. A, about 6 feet. Gorilla.
Hi, my name is Joseph, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem about the heartbeat eagle. H is for heart. A is 8. R is rest. P is panting. Y is for year egg. B is for best. E is for 8. A is for art. T is for tropical. E is for each. A is for eagle. G is for garden. L is for leopard. E is for element.
Hi, my name is Natalie, and I'm going to be reading about a morpho butterfly. M is for my morpho butterfly is blue with white polka dots and black on the outside. O is for ooh, they are so beautiful. R is for run because maybe you can catch a morpho butterfly. P is for playing with butterflies are so much fun. H is for hide paper butterflies so you can find them. O is for oh my goodness, butterflies are my favorite animals. B is for bye bye butterflies. U is for under a tree to get some tea. T is for terrific. T is for try to touch their wings. E is for eat nectar from pollen. R is for rare. F is for fabulous. L is for lovable. Y is for your awesome. Morpho butterfly.
Genevieve, and I will be sharing my acrostic poem about the yellow-eared parrot. Y is for yellow-eared parrot is very rare. E, everybody thinks it's weird they have yellow ears. L, legendary. L, lives in Colombia. O, overall green. W, wax palm fruits are what it eats. E, elegant birds. A, awesome. R, rare. E, everybody should love them. D, daring. P, parrots are beautiful. A, amazing. R, really great. R, rainforest. O, original colors green and yellow. T, the yellow-eared parrot is very aggressive. Yellow-eared parrot.
Elegant speaker. B is for big as a man. O is for on a tree. A is for a big animal. C is for Canada goat. O is for on the ground. N is for not an animal. S is for sharp teeth. T is for they can eat a goat. R is for no they slide. I is for I like them. C is can eat a man. T is for they eat big animals. O is for oh they are cute. R is for runaway rats.
Hi, my name is Dante, and I'll be reading about the fruit bat. F is for fruit, R is for really fast, U is for Uncle Face, I is for incredible, T is for tomato, B is for big, A is for always awesome, T is for tall. Fruit bat.
Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I will be sharing my acrostic poem about the squirrel monkey. S, squirrel monkeys are cool. Q, quick at moving. U, usually in the canopy layer. I, it eats nuts. R, rapid climbers. R, raised from mother. E, ears I have. L, love brother finger. M, magnificent. O, outside. N, need food. K, known for climbing. E, eats fruit. Y, young. Squirrel monkey.
Hi, my name is Owen, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the lemur. L, leaping lemurs. E, extremely fast. M, mangoes are what they eat. U, understory is where they live. R, really endangered. Lemur.
Hi, my name is Marlon, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the squirrel monkey. S is for super alert. Q is for quickly moves. U is for umbrella layer. I is for incredible creatures. R is for rapid climbers. R is for rainforest or their homes. E is for eats nuts. L is for lives in the canopy layer. M is for magnificent creatures. O is for only has one tail. N is for noticed by humans. K is for kind to other squirrel monkeys. E is for ears they have. Y is for young cared by their mother. Squirrel monkey.
Hi, my name is Allie, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the toucan. T, tail. O, often flying. U, use beak for eating. C, colorful. A, active. N, not that good at flying. Toucan.
Hello. Hi, my name is Nico, and I'm going to be sharing my acrostic poem about the jaguar. J, jaguar. A, 8. G, giant. U, understory. A, attack. R, rainforest. Jaguar.
Hello, my name is Cody, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the jaguar. Jaguar. J is for jaguars live in the rainforest. A is for air they breathe. G is for gators it eats. U is for up in the canopy layer it sleeps. A is for able to swim. R is for roar they do not. Jaguars.
my name is Jacob, and I'll be sharing an acrostic poem about the jaguar. J. Jaguars are cool. A. Big cat. G. Good cats. U. Understory lair and forest floor. A. Awesome. R. Ruler of the rainforest. S. Spends time in near the water and likes to swim. Jaguars.
Hi, my name is Mira, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the gorilla. G is for gentle. O is for only has one baby at a time. R is for rests in the trees. I is for it loves the rainforest. L is for lovely creatures. L is for likes to eat plants. A is for awesome at climbing. Gorilla.
Hi, my name is Devin. I'll be sharing about the yellow-eared parrot. Y. Y is for yellow-eared. E. Easy to find. L. Large. L. Life to live. O. Oxygen. W. What kind of animal? E. Ear. A. Animal. R. Rainforest. E. Eats food. D. Defends itself. P. Parrot. A. Alone. R. Returns home. R. Rather fly. O. Opens wings. T. Top to fly. Yellow-eared parrot.
Hello, my name is Alana, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the fruit bat. F. Fruit trees. R. Rag on mother's backs. U. Understory time. I. Incredible. T. Terrific. B. Bad time. A. Able to play. T. They have a tail. Fruit bat. Hi, my name is Ava, and I'll be sharing my acrostic poem about the toucan. T. Toucans are terrific. O. Often eats large snakes. U. Usually hides in barricade trees. C. Calls its family for help. A. Amazing and colorful. N. Nicest animals in the rainforest unless being attacked. Toucan.